Hey everyone, in today's quick tutorial I'll show you 2 easy ways to add your signature in Google Docs, great for digital forms or documents. First of all, open the Google Doc from your browser. You can use Google Chrome or any other browser. Simply type here Google Docs and sign into your account. After you have signed in, open your document, or I will open blank document to show you. After you have opened the Google Doc, then simply go to the Insert tab. As you can see at the top, you will see the Insert tab. Then simply go at the drawing, over it, and you will see the option called New. Simply click it. After clicking on New, now draw your signature with your mouse. In the drawing window, click the line tool. First of all, you will see the option here. As you can see, here is the line tool. Simply click on it. After clicking it, simply draw your signature using your mouse. You can use arrow, you can use elbow connector or other curved line. You can also use scribble. As you can see, simply sign in your signature. After you have signed in, simply click Save and Close. As you can see here, simply click Save and Close. As you can see, then your signature will come in your document. Or another method is to upload a signature image. If you have already scanned a signature, then simply go on the Insert tab, then Image section, and upload the image from your computer. You can even place your signature inside a text box for clear formatting. And that's how to easily add a signature in a Google Docs. If this helped, don't forget to like, subscribe and drop a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.